In this video, we wanted to share 5 plants that are unique and easy to grow in containers. The first one is watermelon radish. Watermelon radish is an heirloom variety. I discovered it a couple of years ago, and since then it has become a staple in our balcony garden. It grows very easily and it is very productive. It takes about 2 months from seed to harvest for us to get these nice looking little radishes. They have this pale greenish exterior and a really bright magenta interior. The radishes can be eaten raw or cooked. Radish greens can also be used in cooking, but I've never tried that myself. It has this sort of mild and slightly sweet flavor that is unique to this particular radish variety that others don't necessarily have. So it's a really fun one to grow. The next unique plant we enjoy growing on the balcony is a white cucumber. It is a lot more compact than regular cucumber varieties, and yes, it does sprawl around on the balcony, but not quite as much as other varieties that we grow on our garden. It has these really fun, different fruits that are very, very light, almost white in color, with really beautiful dark speckles. The fruit grows to about 5 to 8 inches in length, and it takes about 2 months to maturity. It's a lot less bitter than regular cucumber varieties, so it's really, really great for snacking. I find it to be quite sweet in flavor, so that makes it really fun as well. We really enjoy growing this cucumber variety, and it's definitely a staple for container gardening. The next plant that works great in containers is the sweet apple pepper. This variety, it has really interesting heart-shaped fruits that are sweet and fruity in flavor. The plants grow about 2 to 3 feet tall, which make them great to grow on the balcony. And they take about 70 to 80 days to maturity. Silver fir tree tomato variety is a determinate variety that grows to about 24-inch size. Because it's a bush variety, it's really great for balcony and container gardening. The tomato itself has a classic tomato flavor, but the leaves have this really unique fern-like appearance. And that's why I like this tomato so much. It is different. It's also easy to grow. It takes about 2 months to maturity. Last but not least is our new favorite lettuce variety, the Joker lettuce. Not only does this lettuce look great with these beautiful pink speckles all over the leaves, but it also tastes amazing. This is a butterhead lettuce variety. It is sweet and buttery in flavor and has this really nice crunchy texture. It also has really great heat and cold resistance. We absolutely love growing this lettuce on the balcony because it lasts all through the summer heat for us. It tastes amazing, it looks really fun, it's very prolific, and its heat resistance features make it a winner for balcony gardening. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments below what unique plants you like to grow in your garden.